Say hi there! Say hi there! Hi there! Hi there! Welcome to my channel. This is Inday Chai, and for today's video, I'll be sharing another keto recipe. So I call it Keto Puto. If you love to eat puto but you're on diet, then you can have it in keto style. Tara, samahan niyo magluto ng Keto Puto! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Hello everyone! For today's video, I'll be sharing another keto recipe. So if you love to eat puto but you're in keto diet, you can have it in keto style. So these are the ingredients in making the keto puto. You will need 3 whole eggs. It's better if you have pasteurized eggs or farm-raised eggs. You will need 3 sweeteners. I'm using Steviana because it's keto approved. You can use any keto approved sweeteners also. Then I'll be using 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. I will have 3 tablespoons also of all-purpose cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and cheese for toppings. First, you have to mix the dry ingredients, the coconut flour and the baking powder. Mix it well to incorporate all the ingredients. Then you can add the sweeteners. It's optional. If you want it sweet, then you can have it like 4 to 5 sweeteners. You just want to make sure that all your ingredients are in a room temperature so it will be incorporated well. And you may add the eggs, the all-purpose cream, the butter, and the vanilla extract. This time you can use the whisk to get the desired thickness of a batter mixture. Whisk it for a minute to be able to have a creamy, thick batter mixture for your keto puto. This time you can apply some butter to your molder so that the puto will not stick in the molder once it's cooked. Now you can put the batter mixture into the molders. Now it's time for cheese toppings. Put the puto on the steamer and steam it for 10 minutes. Use clean cloth for your cover to avoid the water from falling to your puto. Use a toothpick to check if your puto is ready. Prick the puto using the toothpick. Once the toothpick is dry, then your puto is cooked. Hi there! Welcome to my channel. This is Inday Si Chai, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Thank you for watching.